guys, it's Gwen, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a waterfall braid. So what I did is I did a deep side part, as you can see here, and it doesn't really matter which side you do it on, I just prefer the right side. So what we're going to do first is take a section of hair, and split it into 3 sections. And what we're gonna do is just make a normal braid, and the top section we're gonna go ahead and add a piece and combine it to kind of like a French braid. And then when we go to do the bottom piece, instead of grabbing hair, we're just gonna let it go. And it's nice to have an extra hand helping you, or like a clip or something to keep it out of the way. But if you don't, that's fine. And we're just gonna grab another piece of hair and continue on the braid. So we're gonna take a section of hair, the top, combine it, and then put it over the middle and drop that piece of hair and grab a new piece. So this is gonna act like a super cute hairstyle, and it kind of looks like a waterfall. And you can go as far back as you want. I think this is going to be my last stitch. So add a piece, and then just do a braid. Or you can stop it here and just tie it off with a small clear elastic. Or you could just do a braid like I am doing right now. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but see these little pieces coming down from the braid? That is the waterfall braid. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. And since I didn't post, I am going to upload a bonus video this week, so watch out for that. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which videos you want me to make, and have an awesome day. Bye. Thank you.